We are rolling. Lifestyle investing where we invest based off our lifestyle too. But build that future lifestyle. Mike, myself, we got Derek in the house. Looking
it's
confused.
A whole new world.
I know, right? It's a whole new world.
Fucking
So,
Pocahontas on this shit.
I know, right? It's a whole new world.
Yeah.
I don't want to see the next part.
No.
All right. Hey, so while we're at it, the question we were talking about, barriers to entry.
Yeah.
Okay, Derek said one reason why he invested into cryptocurrency than the stock market is the barriers to entry is lower in crypto than the stock market. Why should we?
Yeah,
talk
the
about
reason
that?
that is important is because we talk about getting into the market. Lifestyle investing is using where you're at right now to make a difference in your life, in your savings, in your investing. If the barrier is different to get into the market for crypto, it's helpful for you to use that information to get you into the market. We also talk a lot about don't do something you don't have information about. Derek is going to teach us more about that too. So stay tuned. This is going to be a great group of episodes. Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Dude, you better top that off. You better top that off.
Whipped cream on hot chocolate. Let's go.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. That's it. Yeah. Barriers to entry. Biggest thing. Always know what you're investing into, and like we'll touch on later. You know, sometimes all it takes is a debit card and a send button, and you're good to go.
Well, yeah.
That is true.
No broker.
No broker. No high trade fee. Well, we'll talk about Coinbase and their trade fees later.
Yeah.
But
it is pretty
yeah,
crazy.
I mean stocks. You there's a reason, right? You have stocks that 70 well represented companies, well defined history. But the whole cool thing about crypto is you can get in where a lot of early stage investors in the VC space get in. So if you kind of compare, buying crypto coins at pennies versus what VCs buy stocks of private held companies, it's just a little mix up in the market, and it gives the average retail investor the opportunity to get in before other investors get into it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's good. No, I think definitely think there's a lot of value there. I do think though that the barriers to entry in stocks is still pretty low. I think there's, especially like with things coming out, not
Like a Robinhood, for example, right?
Yeah. There's
It's
definitely
getting
new applications
easier.
out there where it is simplifying things a lot more, where you don't have to have those brokerage accounts and things like that. But I mean, even now, like you have a Merrill Lynch account as well, and I mean it's pretty easy to buy and sell stocks. Granted, there usually is that trading fee,
Right.
and
$7.
whatnot. Yeah, $7, which could be like 15 a pop.
Yeah.
But for me, the thing about stocks is you got to have big pocket change to be making money on the stock market. There's a reason we all have 401ks and we're putting in $150 a paycheck because we're building over time. That's what I think stocks are really designed to do. Crypto, we all want to get rich quick, but at the same time, as you said yourself, there's very rare opportunities that present themselves to return an ROI greater than itself, and crypto presented that for a little bit. So I think that's a great reason to talk about it, is because these chances don't come up, and it's an unregulated market. It's a wild, wild west at the time being. So you know where you're playing, know what the rules are, man. You might get shot, you might get rich, you might find gold. You don't know.
Yeah, it feels like it's the penny stock kind of feeling, and it's of the tech boom in the 90s or whatever, the .com. It's the beginning of that, or the biotech or whatever.
Right.
It's that again in this other form, right? Is that kind of what it feels like?
I think, Vernie, we had the coffee conversation a while back, and Vernie kept telling me there's a bubble. But my response was, there might be a bubble, but are you in the bubble? Right. That's kind of the way I look at it, is all we'll dive into later. There's smart coins to go after, and the biggest thing I'll just kind of touch on right now is use case. Make sure your coin's valid. If you're buying coins just to play crypto kitties or crypto doggies or whatever the games are, you might as well just hand me your money and walk away. So that'll be something fun to touch on.
Okay.
Dude, that is solid. Is there anything else you want to touch on real before? I mean,
I know we got a lot of stuff set up.
We do have a lot of stuff set up.
Let's talk about right now just the basics. I know it says it takes a debit card. Walk us through just 3 steps. How do I go from not having any crypto to having a portfolio or one coin? Like, tell me right
How
now.
do you buy one coin? If you want to buy a Bitcoin or a Litecoin, how do you do it?
Or even 0.25 of a coin. Like, talk about that. How do I go from not owning anything to owning one?
First off, you got to know what you want to buy.
Okay.
So I'd start with the research process.
Yep. Yeah.
Kind of skip by that.
Always the number one thing.
Do the research. But in order to really...
So say you research it, you know which one you're going to buy.
As a retail investor right now, you just have to go to Coinbase. Talk about barriers to entry and just low. Yes, the fees are high, but the chances of you getting your money back are a lot greater. If you want to get your money back right now out of Coinbase, you got till March 7th before they eliminate their PayPal, which has made Coinbase really easy to get your money in and out of.
Okay.
But essentially, you log on, you create an account on a Coinbase or anyone else offering to sell the Bitcoins, Litecoins, put in your information, register, and then boom, your money is deposited. Depending on how much money you deposit, you could have $150 available to 50 grand in 15 days. That sound about right? Yeah.
Okay.
Take a little bit of time.
And we're going to wrap it up. And the question
Yeah.
I'll ask for the next time is, I've heard that on Coinbase, that's the one we're talking about, right? Sometimes they shut down the exchange based on the value of the coin. Is that true? Don't answer. We'll answer on the next
Okay.
one.
Holler. Lifestyle investing. Mike, myself, Derek. Peace.